dear dance lovers, my name is Leonid Pletnev and I'm creator of new innovational, revolutionary, personal portable dance partner, my dance assistant. And that it is. Today's video is about how to install the belt for model called Queen. So this model called Queen, this is a partner for a man. So when you take the belt from the plastic bag, it looks like that. First of all, what you have to do, you have to move the moving buckle and to release the sliding buckle to make the belt actually longer. One side and also same on the other side. Later, the length of this belt, of course, needs to be adjusted as you need it, according to your own height, length of your arms, or parameters of your partner. So this is now the belt for gadget called Queen. First, what you have to check, the way which this sliding hook buckle is fixed is that the upper webbing lay is under the hook and the lower is in that long hole. If for any reason it moves too light, because this buckle will fix later the belt on the stick, you could change position on the webbings, and I'll show it on the other side, that way. So you could leave the hook free, there is no lay of the webbings coming in, and both of the lays up and down, upper and lower, is going inside one long hole underneath. It makes movement more tight, and then the fixing of the belt on the gadget will be more strong. This is also the protecting pad, which later will be placed on your shoulder to protect your skin when there will be a direct contact. So now your belt is ready to be connected to a gadget. Thank you very much, and in my next part I will explain you how to connect the belt to the gadget and how to use it in different positions.